Now, class, because Eva has just arrived, I decided we should take her for a walk around town and show her a place we know very well.
What's that?
The town, Billy.
All of it?
Yes, all of it. We're going for the whole morning.
Hooray!
Everyone, please find a partner and follow me.
Everyone is very excited to show Eva the town.
Where shall we go first?
The park?
Excellent idea, Maya. Everyone loves the park. Let's start there.
This is the park, Eva. It has swings and a slide and a sand pit.
And this green stuff is called grass. You can play football on it.
There's lots of handy amenities too, such as the toilets and the dog poop bins.
Thank you, Tommy.
Did you have a park in your last town, Eva?
Yes.
Oh.
Even with the dog poop bins?
Yes. It is a very nice park. I like it here.
Where next, children? We have so many things for Eva to see.
What about the supermarket?
Excellent idea, Mya Go. Come along, children.
Miss Teach and the children have arrived at the supermarket.
Here it is. It's the biggest shop in town.
They have everything inside. Paper and card to make things with.
Ice cream, sweets, sausages.
And all the food groups.
Plus, there's a place for parents to change a baby's nappy. Very handy.
Have you ever seen anything like this, Eva?
Yes, of course. There are supermarkets in my country too.
Oh.
Where to next, children?
Can we show Eva something she hasn't seen before?
Yes. Like what, Maya?
Have you seen a zoo?
Yes. What about a boat? Of course.
Have you seen a bus?
I came to school on the bus this morning.
Come on, children. I'm sure we'll find something to surprise Eva with.
Crazy golf. Yes.
A museum?
Yes.
A library?
Of course.
A running track?
Yes, very popular. Yes.
An ice cream cone?
Yes, of course. Uh-huh. Yep. Yes. 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 Thank you. Of course. Yes.
Maya and her classmates are on a history walk with Professor Bones.
Today, children, we'll be visiting the oldest parts of Everyday Park. There's Everyday Castle and Lake Everyday, which were both built many, many years ago. And I'll show you the biggest, oldest oak tree in Everyday Forest.
Wow! I can't wait to see them all. And hear the stories about them.
I'll just make sure we've got enough time. Let's see now. Oh, my watch. It's broken. Now we won't know when it's home time.
But we've only just got here.
We need to know the time, Sophie. I can't have you getting home late.
Is there another way we could tell the time? We could find a clock. Great idea. But where? There's one at the library.
And the ice cream shop.
Or we could go to my house. We've got lots of clocks.
But if we go there, we can't be here to do our history walk.
You're right, Tommy. But what else can we do? We can't make a clock.
Yes, we can, Maya. We can make one with the sun.
But it's not safe to look at the sun.
We won't have to. We can make a sundial.
I've never heard of a sundial.
It's a very old type of clock made by ancient people that uses sunlight to tell the time.
A sundial. That sounds perfect. What do we need to make one?
A dial, of course. Something round and flat.
I've got a paper plate in my backpack.
That'll do nicely. Now, we'll need to mark our dial with the times of day. Who has a pencil?
I do.
Excellent, Billy. Now, all that's left is the mnemon.
The what?
The mnemon is the part of a sundial that tells the time, Maya. It's usually shaped like a triangle.
I've got a cheese triangle.
It could work. but the sun might melt it, and we can't tell time with a melty Numon.
So we can't make the sundial after all?
Mya Go has a straw. That won't melt like cheese.
Ah, not so fast, Tommy. There's more than one way to build a sundial. Hand me your drinking straw, Mya.
Here you go, Professor.
This will work. What better way to save our history walk than with a history clock? Let's get building.
Yay!
Mya and Sophie Play are at Ruby Make's house to work on a school project.
Wow! Look at all these inventions. Did you make all these things, Ruby? Yeah. I get lots of ideas when I'm working in the shed with Mama and Dada. Then we're sure to come up with a good idea for our project in here. Yeah, definitely. Like what? What could we make?
Everyone bunch up. I want to get a picture of you three working together on your first project. Look in the camera and say cheese!
Cheese! Oh.
Oh, what happened, Dada Make?
It didn't take the photo. I'll try it again. One more time. Cheese!
Cheese!
Nope, it's not working at all.
We'll have to get it fixed. Or buy a new one.
Ooh. Or we could make one.
That will be fun.
Make a camera? Yeah. That would be a great project. How do we do it? We'll need batteries. And lenses. And buttons. And memory cards.
Not so fast. There's more than one way to make a camera, you know.
Like what?
Like a pinhole camera. It doesn't have electrical parts.
And you can make it out of things you can find at home.
A pinhole camera. Sounds perfect. Will you show us what we need, Mama and Dada?
Of course. If we all work together, it'll be easy peasy.
Yay!
First, we need a box with a lid.
Some tin foil.
Whoa!
Some sticky tape.
Oh!
And a ruler and markers for measuring.
I'll get the scissors.
And I've got the pin.
That's everything. Let's put it together.
With everyone helping out, it's not long before the pinhole camera's almost ready.
All that's left is to make the pinhole. Here you go, Ruby.
Is the camera ready?
Yes, we just need some special photo paper and we need to make sure the light doesn't hit it.
Good thinking, Dada Make. If the light hits the paper too soon, there'll be no picture.
All set. Get in line, kids.
Why, that's my old Yo-Yo.
Yo-yo?
It's a toy you hang on your finger and bounce on the string. Watch.
Whoa! How did you do that, Mama?
I'll tell you, Mya. Come and look. This is a picture of me when I was your age. Back then, I won the Everyday Yo-Yo Championship, doing tricks with this very yo-yo.
You did? That's amazing! What other tricks can you do?
Lots. There's rock the baby,
Yay!
walk the dog. And whenever I finish my yo-yo practice, it looks like a big plate of spaghetti.
Those yo-yo tricks would be perfect for show and tell. Can you teach me how to use the yo-yo, Mama?
Of course, Mya. We can start you off with a throw called a sleeper. First of all,
Uh-oh.
not so fast, Mya.
Aww.
Hold your hand like this. Then bend your arm, lift and throw.
Hand like this, bend your arm, lift and throw. Aww. How can I show off the yo-yo if I can't do any tricks?
Getting good at anything takes work, Mya. I practiced every day for ages before I was good enough to be a yo-yo champion.
But I don't have time to become a yo-yo champion by tomorrow.
Why don't you keep looking in the boxes and see what else you can find? I'll help you.
No need, Mama. I just had a great idea.
It's the next day at school and time to see what Maya's brought for show and tell.
Next up is Mya Go. Mya, what have you got to show us?
I was going to tell you about an old yo-yo I found, but I didn't have enough time to practice, so I can't show it to you properly.
Oh, that's a shame. Did you bring something else?
Yes, I did. For show and tell today, I have brought my Mama. Mama Go, our real-life yo-yo champion.
Hello, children.
Mya has brought Mama Go to show off the yo-yo. Good thinking, Mya Go.
That was cool. I didn't know yo-yos could do that. Can you do anything else?
Oh, yes.
Yay! Wow! Ooh!
Hello, you. Having an after-school snack?
More like hurrying on the tooth fairy's arrival. Mya is impatient for her wobbly tooth to fall out.
Don't worry, Maya. It'll happen soon. Just don't forget to give it a little wobble from time to time.
I definitely won't forget.
Maybe this jigsaw will distract Maya from her wobbly Oh, no such luck. Oh, perhaps dancing feet make wobblier teeth. Maybe not. But another apple might help. And I don't even think a game of jockey-back can make Maya forget about her tooth. Or a game of chasing. It's evening time, and Maya and Sammy Go are getting ready for bed.
Mya, Sammy, time to brush your teeth. Oh, Mya, I know it's hard to wait when you're excited about something, but you know that tooth will probably fall out when you least expect...
Mama! It's gone! But I don't know where to. Oh, no! I need it for the tooth fairy. Oh, Mama, what are we going to do?
Looking for this?
Dada has found Maya's tooth.
Yay! Well done, Mya. The tooth fairy waits till you're fast asleep. Mya, pop your tooth under your pillow and have sweet dreams.
Night-night, Mya Go. Night, Sammy.
I'll miss you, little baby tooth. You've helped me eat a lot of delicious things.
Sleep tight, Mya Go. It's very early in the morning, but where has Mya gone?
Would you both like to come and see if the tooth fairy has been?
Huh? Of course we would. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Look!
Oh, that's so exciting, Mya. Do you think you'll buy yourself another apple with the money?
I think I might buy some chocolate instead. Chocolate!